Hi everyone! Miniature construction videos made with AI are going viral, with many creators gaining millions of views. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to create these satisfying videos yourself. Let's get started. Method 1. Create on a mobile phone. This method is ideal for mobile users. First, open the ChatGPT app and go to the GPT store. Search for a GPT called AI Miniature Construction Generator. Follow its instructions and ask it to give you 10 construction ideas. Choose your favorite idea, and the GPT will generate an image prompt and a video prompt for you. Next, copy the image prompt and open the AI Marvels app. You can find the official access link in the description. Select the Nano Banana 2 card and upload any image as a reference. I'm using a plain black image as an example. Paste the image prompt into the dialog box, then tap Submit. Within a few seconds, AI Marvels will generate a complete storyboard showing different stages of the construction process. This makes it much easier to control the building sequence in the final video. Save the storyboard image to your device. Now, return to the home page and select the AI video card. Choose the image to video feature, upload the storyboard image, and paste the video prompt. For the video model, I recommend Seedance 2.0 because it performs especially well for this type of construction video. Tap Generate and wait for the process to finish. And there you have it, a satisfying AI miniature construction video. This is just a short example. If you want to create a longer video, ask the GPT to divide the construction into several stages and generate a separate prompt for each one. Create each section individually, then combine all the clips into one complete video. Method 2. Create on a PC. This method is more convenient for PC users. Just like the first method, start by using the GPT to generate your image and video prompts. The main difference is that we'll use HitPaw FotorPea to create the storyboard image. Open HitPaw FotorPea using the official link in the description, then go to the AI generator. Paste the image prompt into the prompt box. FotorPea supports several popular image generation models. For this type of image, Nano Banana 2 and GPT Image 2 are both great options. Select a model and click Generate. In a few moments, you'll get a complete storyboard showing the miniature construction process. Next, open HitPaw VikPea and go to the AI video generator. Select the Seedance 2.0 model, upload the storyboard image, and paste the video prompt into the prompt box. You can also adjust the other settings based on your preferences. Once everything is ready, click Generate. After the generation is complete, your satisfying miniature construction video is ready. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials, creative ideas, and useful tips. Thanks for watching.